Tuesday, September 1, was a very wet day in Benin City, Edo State capital. The leadership of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and its standard-bearer, Governor Godwin Obaseki, defied the heavy downpour to visit Orhionmwom local government area, Edo South. The tour was in continuation of the word-to-word campaign ahead of the September 19, 2020 governorship election. The first destination for the campaign team of the People's Democratic Party in Orhionmwom local government is the palace of the Enogie of Evovanosa, His Royal Highness, Professor Gregory Akenzua. Governor Obaseki informed the monarchs of his intention to go for a second term in office. The Enogie welcomed and prayed for the success of the PDP candidate, Governor Godwin Obaseki, and his running mate, Philip Shuaibu. While at the palace, the former governor of Anambra State and PDP vice presidential candidate in the 2019 presidential election, Peter Obi, joined the governor and the party's campaign team. After the visits to the palace, Governor Obaseki and the party leaders proceeded to the wards in the area, where the people thronged out in large numbers in defiance of a downpour. Abudu is the ward of the governorship candidate of the All Progressives Congress, Osage Izeyamu. At Abudu, chairman of Edo State Governorship Campaign Council, Dan Obi, urged the people of Orhionmwom local government area to ask the APC's Gibo candidate what led to the relocation of the NYC orientation camp from Abudu to Okada. Chief Dan Obi told the audience that unlike their son, Izeyamu, that refused to work and protect the interest of the people of Abudu, Governor Obaseki, in less than 4 years, is building a world-class teachers' college.
PDP! Power to the people! Just last week, I read a statement credited to one of your sons, lamenting that he's not chairman of NDDC because of our governor. Is our governor the president of Nigeria? He should go and find out what the problem is. 8 years he worked with Adanso Shomole. I cannot see the impact of his participation in that government in this local government. Is that not so? I've also seen that the candidate of APC is from this place. Is that not so? But before anything, I would like you to ask him just one question. Ask him one question once he comes here. Ask him, why was the NYSC camp that was here relocated to Okada? Once he gives you an answer, then I will come back here again. It was the SSG. He signed the paper that they should remove it from this place. We are here because of our governor, who is doing very well. Just within this short period, he built the bridge in Abudu. Within this short period, is bringing back the Teachers College to a world-class standard. The Teachers Training Center that will be responsible for the training of teachers in the whole of Edo State is bringing it here. These are things those who claim to come from here could not do for you. He will do more once you vote and re-elect him.
Former Anambra Governor and PDP Vice Presidential candidate Peter Obi called on residents in Edo State to vote for a continuation of the people-oriented programs and projects of the Governor Godwin Obaseki-led administration. Peter Obi asked the people to reject the APC and its candidate, Osage Izeyamu.
I can tell you, beyond this state, everybody is proud of your governor. That is why we're here. We don't want people that make fake promises. And after 4 years, they'll come and tell you what they said is politics. What he said is real, and he will do it. He has already started doing it by the bridge, and he will continue to do it. 4x4. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency. We also have here the man who is supporting our governor in every sense of the word. Very able and capable. The king of the boys. The bridge between the... No, they here, no, Obaseki they here. Who they here? I don't hear. Who they here? Bolale no they here, me. So we go pepper them again. And now who they pepper them? Then on the 19th of September, we will use our PVC check do it. And all the youths go do it in. No. Youths go defend the vote. All of us go prepare them with our BBC, then youths go do it in. All right, so let's do it well.
Addressing the crowd, Governor Obaseki told the crowd how his grandfather and his family established the Obaseki Memorial School 75 years ago in Abudu. He also stated that the school was the first school ever to be established in Abudu, an Orhionmwom local government area.
Many years ago, my grandfather and the brother came here to do timber business. That is how they set up Obaseki Memorial School here. It was the first school in Abudu and the first school in Orhionmwom. That was more than 75 years ago. At that time, they knew that Edo should move forward. That is how they came to set up the teacher training school here in Abudu. They then removed the teacher training school. They said they will use it for youth corps camp. After some time, they removed the youth corps camp. The person who is now saying he wants to be governor with me was the one who signed. And they removed the youth corps camp from Abudu. The major educational institution in Orhionmwom, they removed it. That is what brought Abudu down all these years. As governor, and knowing where I'm coming from, I said never, not in my time. That is why I went back. I said I'm bringing back the College of Education to Abudu. To make sure that it is just not a College of Education, I went to President Buhari. I said, give me a special school where the teachers can train how to teach the children. The school, we have what they call model training schools. That is the one you see they are building as you are coming into Abudu. Orhionmwom, don't worry yourself. You have your governor already. Vote for him. Abudu, vote for your governor. You already have him. And by the grace of God, when we come back, we will continue all our projects. PDP! PDP!
During the rally, the leader of the APC in Orhionmwom local government area and two-time councillor, Honorable Roland Ehirebo, destroyed his APC membership card and decamped to the PDP with 2,000 members of the party in the local government area.
By coming back to PDP again is a form of homecoming. I'm coming here with my supporters and supporters to Governor Obaseki, over 2,000 across the world. And they also have active voters within that supporters. They're able to deliver Godwin for PDP. And the Lord to show that my loyalty that I'm a complete and unmitigated. Come back to PDP.
In Igbanke Ward, the governor of Delta State, Ifeanyi Okowa, was waiting patiently for Governor Obaseki and the PDP campaign team. The chairman, South-South Governors Forum, applauded the candidate of the PDP and Governor Obaseki for providing impactful and purposeful leadership, which has translated to a better life for Edo people. He campaigned energetically in Igbanke in support of Governor Obaseki.
Because of what he has done, and because the situation is going to be better in the next 4 years for him financially, that is going to do a great lot. He's somebody who has a lot of intelligence. In the Governors Forum, we rely on his intellect, and it's very important. He's somebody who understands the economics. He's somebody who understands what Edo State needs, and he's going in that direction. Creation of jobs, creation of industries, and making the people feel important, making the people participate in the governance of themselves. And it's very, very key and very important. From what you have seen today, I'm sure that you know that a lot of people are going to turn out that day. And there's mass mobilization because the people understand and they want to come out to vote and to defend their votes.
You vote for me, I will work for you. When I don't see the work I don't do already these last 3 years, despite saying Godfather the warriors, when I can imagine, when they remove the stone, when they tap our leg, when not make us run fast, now fly we will fly. So in banking, now on a handy day, you see, my brother come from Delta, he can't talk to her. My brother come from Anambra, can't talk to her. Make una not disappoint. PDP now on our own. PDP go cover una. PDP go take care of una. PDP go protect una. So on September 19th, make una come out, come vote for PDP. PDP. Oh yeah, PDP. PDP. Everybody. PDP. Everybody.
The PDP also received thousands of defectors from the APC and other political parties in Igbanke. They pledged to work for the success of the party in the forthcoming election.
I'm happy to let you know that I am back to the party with my followers. And I'm back to the party to liberate for PDP. after seeing what my governor is doing in Edo State, I like to come back to the PDP.
The PDP campaign team visited Abiokula, Ugbeka, Yoba and Ugu wards.
PDP on the 19th of September, what will happen that day? We go come vote for PDP. As we vote PDP, who we vote for? So we'll carry our PVC tape, pepper them. We'll carry our PVC tape waiting. After we vote finish, our youth una go shine on our eyes. They get two heads. We go shine our eye. Make sure say if anybody can't touch waiting, we vote. We go follow our vote, Abi. We go defend Abi. We not go defend them. Voila, they go ring us. If the throw stone come house, men know their house. Not being the stone go cause damage. They will throw stone come house, man know their house. They know their house. So on the 19th, we go vote. We go watch the vote. We go make sure say our vote count by defending our.
You can see that the people are enthusiastic because they know who's their own. They are not carried away by the sentiment of it's from my local government, it's from local government. What they are carried away by is by the development and the achievements of the things he has done and the plan he has, the way he articulated his plan. Orhionmwom people, Ugbeka people are excited and they have guaranteed him 4+4. Toba.
On election day, there is no contest with what we are seeing so far. Everybody loves him. His victory back is sure as any other thing. We are not afraid.
Shomole, 4 years ago, he told us that Governor Godwin Obaseki is the best man for the job. 4 years ago, he told us that Pastor Usagi Ezeyamu cannot be trusted. He told us he was a fake pastor. He told us that while he was in school, he poured acid on a fellow student. He told us so many things. How can he come now and tell you to vote for that same person? Will you agree? Adams took over the leadership of APC, and within few years, he destroyed the party. He cannot come back from Abuja and we watch him to destroy Edo State. We will resist him. I know with your votes, we will resist him. That is why coming here today, we are happy and glad to see you. I can see you have the fire to resisting. No man is God.
My people, from the one, we don't start to do our work here because we know a lot of people say Uku is a write-up. But we, all of us come here, we don't say, we go come showcase what the governor they do since he enter power. He get any community when governor never do anything? Man, mention as small. Owo primary school, is it not going? Is it not ongoing? This is not where they go now, the town hall, and not Siam. Orhionmwom market town hall and market, you know there. What of a Bosope? What of Obe? What of Ikwalaba? What of Obage? My brother. Ikobi. Umawu. Now, after the person when don't do this thing, we go say make it go. All of you know, this man, when he dey fight against us now, no be if that bring the governor. Una know wetin suddenly happen now when say no want am. My oga don tell you na wetin he talk before, I don't want to repeat am. So when I dey tell you that we get 13 communities in this world. Now, we must defend our vote. One thing they say they won't do, we, all of us when they here, we know they don't feel ring us out for unit. They don't feel ring us out because our population more than them. The next place where they wait for us, now here when we want to do world coalition, we go allow them. So all of us go form police, we are all policemen to police our vote. Now, as governor don't come up to Runa now, only the governor I told the 199, they told the 192 world. Now only when they hear say governor don't they told the world, after they don't tell local government, they say they won't start their work now. Is that one not be failure? We don't resolve. We go get monitoring officers as general when they go defend our vote. As far as we are concerned, our able governor go give us the needed security to make sure say our vote can. Not be so.
PDP! PDP! 4+4! 4+4! Obaseki! Shaibu! PDP!
Power to the men, power to the women, power to my youth, young woman. Uku, we have always stand our ground. They have never won us. With their money and their power, they didn't win us. Now that the power is in our hand, we're going to allow them to win. So I want you people to know that this is the only man that can deliver Edo State from poverty.
The most critical area of development is investment in education. And if you look at all the critical areas of development, education, health, and fighting poverty, he's doing well in all those indices. And there's need to continue. He is one who have made promises and working towards those promises. You see, those who are looking for violence are those who know that they are aware that people will not vote for them. For us in PDP, we're preaching non-violence. Let the election be free and fair so the people can elect somebody who is already working for them and continue to work for them, rather than vote for people who have said that their promises in the last election were actually political. That what they said was political, it wasn't truth. Can you trust such people? We're preaching to INEC, we're preaching to Nigerians. The way the world is today, Nigeria must go for free and fair election.
Orhionmwom is the fourth local government area to be visited by Governor Obaseki and the PDP campaign team in Edo South in the ongoing ward-to-ward campaigns in Edo State. Across the length and breadth of Edo South Senatorial District, the support for Governor Godwin Obaseki keeps growing. Political observers are attesting that the governor's popularity would certainly guarantee his victory at the poll.
Edo must move forward. Move forward. I will never.